From now, I explain about the reference line. The idea of reference line is just line. Usually, when I make the construction, at first I think the construction as the line. For example, this is foundation, and this is post,ね、and this is beam. まあ for example ね。で this is post. で actually the post material is like that. ね。So we have to think the line. The post has this line inside in the post. こんな感じか。で、これ this is reference line. So to be able to see this line, you have to move the line from inside to this surface. This is reference line. This almost material is the same width and flattened surface. So sometimes no need the reference line idea, but basically the material is not flat and not straight. For example, the natural beam. Natural beam is not straight. So if when you mark the line on the beam, you have to use the reference line idea, the idea of reference line. で、actually you use this like that, the beam like that. だからこれね、もう already reference line、ね、でこれをこれ持ってきたときにこうで here これ reference line. So cannot mark all surface of the beam. So you should you have to mark other reference line. ね、for example here. で reference line ね、で this line for example 100こう this distance ね 150 mm. So this こうレファレンスプラスand then you mark, you can mark every marking from this reference line to each place. まあ、レファレンスライン。Do you understand? Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. I have a Japanese woodworking school where you can learn in English. I accept 4 students each month. So beginners and professionals alike can take classes according to your skill levels. Don't worry. Check the overview for more information. And please subscribe to the channel. Let's enjoy woodworking together.